The second of two crashes for Jorge Martin in the Sepang test proved to be not a good one. Obviously, right there, high sides and just launches himself into the ground, knocks himself out, looks like at least. And as far as I have seen, have read, whatever you want to say, it is a broken hand and a broken foot, or fractured, depending on how you want to technically word it, with a statement from Aprilia saying, quote, Jorge Martin has been diagnosed with a right hand fracture and fractures in his left foot. He has undergone a CT scan and MRI, both of which were negative for any injuries. He will stay in hospital overnight, and tomorrow he will fly back to Europe to undergo surgery on both his right hand and left foot. Now, obviously, that's not good. Jorge Martin suffered a closed fracture of the fifth metacarpal head on the right hand and a closed fracture of the third, fourth, and fifth metatarsals of his left foot. And, well, obviously, this rules him out for the rest of the Sepang test. Now, obviously, being out for that, the next one coming up is the Thailand test in the 12th and the 13th of February. And then the Thai GP is the, what, 2nd of March, something like that. So we're just going to have to wait and see how long he takes to heal from this, how much time he's going. Well, actually, I couldn't say get back on the bike, but these guys don't ride these bikes unless they're on these tracks. So when he can get back to training, whatever it is, dirt bikes or super bikes, whatever form he's going to be using to get back on, and also how long he's going to stay off. I mean, it's a broken hand and a broken foot, which are very painful, or would be very painful, but could be ridden with technically. So we'll have to wait and see how long his recovery is going to be when he's back on the bike. If he makes it to the first Thailand GP, which I'd assume he would at this point. I mean, it's a month from now. He'll probably gut it out even if he's not 100%, just so you're not losing points immediately in his title defense year, bringing the number one over to the Aprilia, and we'll see how it goes. I mean, I'd love to see him be healthy for the first race. That's the bigger thing, but getting time testing on that bike, switching from Ducati to Aprilia, you definitely need the test days. You need the time on the bike to figure out what it can do, where, how comfortable you are on it, and what you need to change. But hopefully, knock on wood, he can get some time on. He can be competitive this year. He can, hold that number one plate and not have it be a switch over to Aprilia and have a, horrible year. But we'll see how this goes. But comment down below. Tell me what you think. Do you watch any of these tests? Do you care about the off-season tests? Are you into MotoGP, or are you just a dirt bike motocross fan? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.